First, keep in mind that synchronization is not automatic, but you need to swipe down to trigger the synchronization. If this should fail, check in iOS settings if iCloud Drive is enabled for Phrase Express. Open Settings, tap your account name, tap iCloud, tap Show All. Scroll down to the Phrase Express entry and make sure that it is enabled for iCloud Drive. You can verify if iCloud Drive is actually syncing phrases with the Apple's Files app, which can be downloaded from the App Store. Tap iCloud Drive, tap the Phrase Express folder, and here you should find several synchronization files. If you find a cloud symbol next to any file, iCloud Drive failed to download a file onto your device. Tap the cloud symbol to download any such file. Then open the Phrase Express app and try synchronizing again. If you feel lost, remove the Phrase Express app from your device, then delete the Phrase Express folder in iCloud Drive and start over. On the desktop computer, make sure that you installed iCloud Drive and use the same account as you use on the iOS device. In this case, if you open the iCloud Drive folder, you should see the Phrase Express folder, which has been created by the iOS app. There is one important setting you should make for iCloud Drive. Right-click the folder and select Always Keep on this device. This makes sure that changes are automatically downloaded onto your device.